Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Motorola Moto G54. So to enter recovery mode on this device you have to start with powering off your device. And now once your device is powered off you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And you should see something like this. And now use volume buttons to navigate and go to recovery mode. And now press power button to confirm. And this is recovery mode, and you have a few options here actually. You can do factory reset from here, or you can reboot to bootloader. But if you want to go back to your Android system, you should choose reboot system now. And if you want to move around this recovery mode, you should use volume buttons to navigate. And if you want to select some option, you can use power button right here. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.